Is online master's degree a smart choice? Well, in my humble opinion, as a licensed and certified educator, education has transformed over the past years, where we do have a lot of access to a lot of resources across the globe, and one of them is actually your degree. You could join a university in a different country completely, and that university is 100% accredited. It provides you with valuable information, valuable knowledge. Once you're done with the program, you just simply get on the plane, fly to that country, and you graduate with the batch that you're at. These are the current, let's say, circumstances within the education industry. And this is really helpful because it applies to your master's degree as well. If you're planning on joining a master's degree program, most probably you're either stuck within a certain region with a bunch of universities that you're trying to consider. Well, this shouldn't be the case because online master's degrees, they open a whole new door for you to explore valuable degrees, valuable specializations in various countries across the globe. You can just simply research those accredited degrees. My advice would be to just simply approach the educational entity in your region and ask them for a list of the accredited universities within the country that where we can just simply enroll in the program, get the master's degree, and they will just simply acknowledge that degree in the region. It's a very simple step. You just simply contact the educational entity responsible for the educational approach in your current country and ask them for this list of approved universities. And you will be surprised that many of them, they are international. They are present in multiple countries. They offer online programs. You just simply has to you have to ask for that list in order to find them out. Now, the second step would be just simply pick up the list and try to inquire about the program offerings that they have. And if you're looking for an online master's degree, you will be surprised that there are a lot of options out there, incredible, accredited, various specializations. It's a whole bunch of resources and a whole bunch of options that you are going to explore and you should be exploring. Now, the second key point that I would like to address with regards to online master's degree, many professionals, they're quite skeptical about the quality of the information that you are getting. Well, let me tell you something. A person as well as a mechanical engineer, projects manager, CEO, a licensed educator, and a certified teacher, let me tell you something. The current market has opened new doors in terms of acquiring education, acquiring information. And one of them is basically your online master's degree. You can just simply enroll in a university, enroll in a program, be part of the roster for that university without actually living in the same country as that university. And you can go through the program online, attend sessions, attend seminars, attend class examinations, attend quizzes, submit research, all of them with the convenience of being available in your current place of residence and interacting internationally or abroad with the educational institute that you are enrolled in. It's completely okay, and there's nothing wrong in terms of the method for acquiring such knowledge, because at the end of the day, you are getting the equivalent information like like someone residing in that area and enrolling in the same program. Because guess what? You are part of the same class with them. They are attending physically at school, you are attending online from abroad. At the end of the day, you're acquiring the information. But let me tell you something. There is a certain approach that you need to follow in terms of acquiring your online master's degree. What you need to do is you need to get responsible, and you should manage your time properly. Because if you are on campus, you do have a schedule given out for you with a set of classes that you need to attend, and you should be physically present. And this imposes some sort of responsibility on the student to help them be there, attend classes, participate with the professors, the class requirements. But if you are abroad, many students, they tend to lack or just simply fall behind, not because of the quality of the education that they're getting, but because of the lack of responsibility from their end, because they are not taking their online education seriously. They are not attending those classes. They are not trying to engage with the class, with the professor, try to get knowledge and information and provide input and value. On the contrary, just simply they are cruising around as part of the classroom because they are living abroad. Well, you don't want to be on that end because this is going to affect the quality of the education that you're getting. So, simply put, is online master's degree a good option? In my opinion, it's a great option. But you should make sure that you are enrolling with an accredited university that has the, let's say, documentation or proof in terms of the accreditation. It should be acknowledged within your current country that you're residing at. You can just simply address the educational institute at your current country of residence to help give you a list of, let's say, approved online master's degree programs from various countries. Then you would be inquiring directly with the university about the program that you're interested in, whether it matches your time frame. Is it going to be part-time, full-time? We're going to be leaving all of these details for another video where we discuss online master's degree programs, how to compare them, and what should be the bullet points you need to keep in mind. Now, that being said, we're going to be wrapping up this current video. Make sure that you join our community in which we provide premium educational content that will surely transform your educational and professional journey. I will see you in the upcoming video.